In this video, I'll show the InDesign script Upscale Images. The script calls Photoshop to upscale images below a resolution the user specifies. I'll demonstrate the script in Windows. It works the same on macOS. This script is an improvement of another script, Increase Resolution. That script is for Photoshop, but I made it for fixing InDesign documents. If you haven't already, it's a good idea to watch that video. See the link in the description. The earlier video showed how to manually upscale images in InDesign. This new script does the same, but automates the process. Here I have opened the document used in the earlier video. As before, turn on Preflight to see the problems. Some images are under 300 pixels per inch, which is the minimum I would like. So I want to upscale them. But instead of doing each one by one, this script does them all. To run the script, open the Scripts panel. I already have the script installed in InDesign. For help adding scripts to InDesign, see the link in the description for another video that shows the steps. In the list, select the script Upscale Images. Double-click to run it. The interface is simple. One value to enter, the minimum pixels per inch you want, which defaults to 300. Enter any other pixels per inch you prefer. Then click OK to start. The script examines each placed graphic in the document. For images, if the effective PPI is less than the minimum, the script calls Photoshop to upscale the image. Photoshop uses the resampling option, Preserve Details 2.0. This does an amazing job of increasing resolution. Once all images are examined and upscaled as needed, the user is notified. In the Links panel, all are updated. If link information in the lower part of the panel isn't open, click the angle bracket next to the link count to open it. This reveals details about the selected link. Here we can see effective PPI is now acceptable. And in the Preflight panel, there are no more problems. Just that easy. Download the script and give it a try. See the link in the description. Any problem with the script or ideas for others, leave a comment. All suggestions are welcome. Thanks for watching. If this solution works for you, like the video and subscribe to this channel. It keeps more videos coming.